What up, YouTube? Ratchet Boys back. Did recording this intro all late and after the fact, but we just did the valve cover gasket, spark plugs, the seals in there, air filter. I can't change the oil yet because battery's dead and the fuse there is blocked. I was not planning to post up a long form YouTube video, but here I am making a long form YouTube video. But our video quality after this clip is probably going to be crappy because I usually record for shorts on like long ways facing this way ish, but I don't know. Here we are. Should be almost done and posted up soon. Well, I need to do that, but we'll do that in another video or maybe just a short or something. Sneak peek of how the spark plugs looked. (2005) TSX, the valve cover leaking, so we're gonna change it out. Customer states has oil leak, parks it, and it drips like a little tiny, like $half size of oil every time. First diagnostic was this valve cover on this side, and kind of like just splashes with the belt, serpentine belt just splashes it everywhere. That's not it. That's like spilled oil from pouring oil in there, I'm assuming. Over there somewhere. These are all hard. It's no good. That's what creates the leak. It doesn't seal when it's hard. Looks like it was really hot in cylinder 1. It's all hard. See, I'm squeezing it, and it doesn't want to squeeze. See, it just bends and keeps the shape. It's how it's supposed to be. Well, I'm not supposed to squeeze it either, but it's softer. We got new valve cover gasket. These spark plug hole O-ring seals. Cleaned. Spent only a little bit of time in cleaning. It's fine. It's not a detail shop. But next is this. Well, not next. Gotta clean this surface up right here, all the way around, and we put it back on. Totally forgot to hit record. Almost done here. Put the coils back in, bolt that in. All these valve cover bolts are torqued. So is this one. Silicone the corners of the valve cover. The back corner, all 4 corners, and where this corner meets right there, it's a little Honda bond right there. While I'm here, just gonna do spark plug check. Sheesh. Well, That ain't no good. Looks like ain't none of this been done since the car was bought off the lot. All the same. Because I don't have the tool. Nope. This one, motherfuckers.